Okay, here's a look at the emini S&P for Monday, July the 18th, 2011. What we're looking at here are the profiles from the emini S&P. This is today's profile. This is what occurred on Friday. This is what occurred on Thursday. And the ones in between are obviously what occurred overnight. I had mentioned that after this nice rally that we had late on Friday, as long as the market can hold above there, and I'd use the number of 1304. So as long as it could hold above 1304, I was probably good to go. I was even suggesting that if the market started to rally overnight on Sunday, it could have a pretty strong move. Actually, in either direction. I thought that there was a chance that it might move higher. Obviously, it didn't, but we knew that if it moved lower, especially below 04, that our next target down would be 95. So here's 95 right here, so it certainly hit that. A little bit beyond, but then a nice 10-point rally to finish the day. So the 1304 is a number we're still monitoring. As long as the market can stay below that, it's still in the bullish mode. The next target up would be around 1312, and we would still think that there's resistance at that point, but obviously we'll take a better look at it should the market rally up to that level. We also like to use the market profiles from the regular trading hours only, and that's what you're looking at right here. As far as our trades were concerned today, you can see that we had a few of them. This first trade here was a little bit disappointing, just in the sense that it happened just a little too late. We were hoping we just actually missed it by a tick to get filled a little bit sooner. Would have had a great run down. Didn't get it. Got the short here, hit our first objective, that was it. So we ended up with a break even there. This particular trade got us short here. We did get nicked on it here, so it basically went sideways and still started to rally up. And then we had our final trade of the day right here. So we did get stopped on this second trade here. We had a break even on the first, and the third one had a really nice run up. It rallied some 5 points and then backed off. We got 3 points on the final partial, so nice profit on that trade. So we're still looking that this market might just turn, i.e. turn higher, but it would have to hold above 4 and then above 12. 4 to give us a little bit of an inkling that maybe the market's intraday directional bias down has changed or is in transition to up, but it really got to get above 12 in order to say that. So we're still on the short side as a preference. The trade there, the third trade that we took, was back up above that 4. I'm sorry, it wasn't back up above 4, but it was back up above where the market had tested earlier. So obviously thinking that that would be a good trade. So that's why we only took those 3 trades today. So as long as, and that's a good area, I think, of support coming into tomorrow overnight session. We're taking a look really in around that 97 area as potential support. And then below that, probably around the 93 area. So some areas of support around here, 97, then 93, and we've still got the resistance at 04. So this is really our sort of our comfort zone at the moment, possibly down to here, down in the 93 area as well. It might not do much tomorrow. Tuesdays can sometimes be really good days, though. There'll be news released at 8:30 in the morning, housing starts that you should monitor. If the market doesn't give any rally overnight and up to that point, as long as that news is in the ballpark of the consensus, the market is likely to move down again. So just kind of bear that in mind, especially if it hasn't gotten back up above 04. So thanks for watching the video. That'll be it. Any questions or comments, just send them to info@eminidaytrader.com. And we always enjoy hearing from you. So thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.